In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a folder with files in Gmail. If you've ever tried to attach an entire folder to an email, you've probably noticed Gmail doesn't allow folders as attachments, and large file sizes can hit the 25 megabyte limit fast. The simplest, most reliable solution is to use Google Drive, which integrates directly with Gmail, so your recipient gets a clean link to the entire folder. Start in Google Drive. Open your browser and go to your drive, then upload the folder you want to send. You can drag the folder straight into the Drive window, or click New and choose Folder Upload. Confirm the folder name, and let the upload finish. If there are a lot of files or videos inside, give it a moment. You'll see a progress indicator and the folder will appear in My Drive when it's done. It's a good idea to open the folder in Drive and make sure everything you need is there before moving on. Now, switch over to Gmail and click Compose to start a new message. At the bottom of the Compose window, look for the Google Drive icon. It looks like a small triangle. Click it to open the Drive Picker. From here, select the folder you just uploaded. If you don't see it right away, check the My Drive tab or use the search bar by typing the folder name. With the folder highlighted, make sure you're inserting it as a link, not as an attachment, then click Insert. You'll see a clickable Drive link appear in your email body. Finish your message as usual. Add your recipient, a clear subject line, and any notes explaining what's inside the folder. When you hit Send, Gmail will automatically check sharing settings. If the recipient doesn't have access, Gmail will prompt you to grant the appropriate permission so they can view the folder. Choose the least access necessary for your situation and confirm. That's it. Your recipient will receive your email with a single link, and when they click it, they'll open the entire folder in Google Drive and can view or download the files. This approach keeps large or numerous files organized, avoids attachment limits, and prevents clutter. If you'll need to update the contents later, just add or remove files in the Drive folder. Your original email link stays the same,